to Ummah Wahida, one Ummah. Dear brothers, the struggle of Islamic worlds are interconnected, forming a united destiny guided by shared values. When our reserved leader, Professor Dr. Najmuddin Erbakan, envisioned developing AIDS in 1997, he did not merely seek economic cooperation. He sought to reignite the political and spiritual unity that once made the Islamic civilization a beacon humanity. His words echo today. The strength of Muslims lies not in their numbers, but in their unity. Professor Erbakan told also, the real power of a country is not their tanks and guns. Real power is their young people, well-educated young people, believing young people with Iman. I am very happy to be here today with you, and I'm really very hopeful for Bangladesh and for the future of the Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.